Elodie, look.
Oh. Who's that? Nice face, Bella.
You're too close to it, Belle. Look at Elodie. Who's that? Belle, be nice. Okay, look at that face. Oh my God. That's gonna be the ugliest face I've seen in a long time. Or since last time you were crying.
Elodie's over here trying to take the iPad.
Elodie needs to have her picture taken too. Okay, that's it.